Aloha everybody, Tracie here. How's it? How you doing? I hope you're having a wonderful month of Kekemapa of December. And for today, I wanted to give you a special makana, a gift from me to you. And it's a mele, a song, because many of you like to hear me sing, I guess. You love to hear me himeni. Ah! So I'm going to sing a mele for you, and that is my makana. And mahalo for watching my video. This song is called Kana Kaloka. Kana Kaloka is, guess who? The guy with the red outfit. Okay, so here we go.